जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयम योगमु 42nd श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, if a person while continuing his Atma Sakshatkara sadhana, in the middle of that, if he drops out, I will make sure in the next birth he is born into a family in which every family member is endowed with great self-realization wisdom, so that this sadhaka would be able to continue his Atma Sakshatkara sadhana. Arjuna, this is not very easy for any other common person. It is very difficult for any ordinary man to be born in such a great family. But I will make sure this unsuccessful sadhaka takes that birth in that family. This is how Krishna Paramatma saying that how he helps out those who drops out from Atma Sakshatkara sadhana. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Adhava yoginameva kule bhavati dhimatam etadhi durlabhataram loke janma yadidrusham. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava, remembering all Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine activities and sharing them with Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Kuruvamsam, the only one is left to take Kuruvamsam further is Parikshittu. That Parikshittu was protected by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Abhimanya Uttara, both of them, Uttarayam Dhrutaha Purorvamsaha Sadhu Abhimanyuna. They are going to get Parikshittu as their child. But when that child was still in the womb, Aswathama shooted an arrow which is called as Apandava Astram. So Krishna Paramatma protected, saved that child from that arrow which is shooted by Aswathama Bhagavata Dhrutaha. Sri Krishna Paramatma protected that child who is Parikshit. O Vidura, after that, Nijapadara Vinda Sevaratundaina Dharmasutuche Kirti Pratapambulu Ivvatillandurangame Mudu Seinchi. Then what Krishna Paramatma did, he helped Dharmaraju to perform Asvamedha Yagas. Dharmaraju has a lot of devotion towards Krishna Paramatma. That is why Krishna Paramatma had Dharmaraju perform 3 Asvamedha Yagas. Vidura, Krishna Paramatma Bhagavanapi Visvatma Loka Veda Pathanugaha. Though he is Bhagavan, though he is all pervasive, still he followed the prescriptions of Vedas. Still he obeyed all the rules, regulations given by Vedas, and he followed all the social rules, social regulations, and he followed the path of Jnanam. That is how, while he is following Vedamargam, he was very much inaccessible to each and every common man. That is how Krishna Paramatma led his life. O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma seems like he is enjoying all these mundane pleasures. But no, he did not enjoy, but he enjoyed within himself. Artha Raksha Chanundu Narayanundu. He enjoyed himself because he is Narayana. Such Narayana came down as Krishna, lived on this earth, led his life perfectly and Krishna Paramatma was very much easily available to each and every one. That is how Uddhava, disclosing Krishna Paramatma's greatness to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Shri Madhurashtakam. Gunja Madhura Mala Madhura Yamuna Madhura Vichi Madhura Salilam Madhuram Kamalam Madhuram Madhuradhipate Rakhilam Madhuram Madhuradhipate Rakhilam Madhuram. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham Krishne namarasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 42nd sloka. Adhava yoginameva kule bhavati dhimatam etadhi durlabhataram loke janma yedidrusam. Adhava yoginameva kule bhavati dhimatam etadhi dullabhataram loke janma yedidrusam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.